I am nutrition counselor and direct seller. Benefits of vegetarianism. Vegetarianism is a good for everybody, whether young or old, health or sick. Reasons supporting vegetarianism are convincing since becoming a vegetarian is scientifically proven to improve one's lifestyle in several different ways. The first and most important to many, vegetarianism improves one's health tremendously. Second, it can improve or display one's spirituality and beliefs. Another reason for changing to a vegetarian lifestyle that most people do not know is for the ecology and our surroundings. All of the above reasons and many more show that vegetarianism is a wonderful enhancement to anyone's overall life. Health should be given the first priority in every individual's life, and vegetarians are proven to be healthier than non vegetarians in various ways. First, medical studies show that a human being's body was not made to be carnivorous. For example, humans have no fangs or claws, and because our digestive system was not made to digest meat, a vegetarian diet is much easier and healthier for our bodies. Second, as known around the world, the most common cause of death is heart attack, and the average man is at a 50% risk, while a vegetarian man is at a 4% risk. Another fact most of the people do not think about is that every one out of three chickens is infected with Salmonella bacteria. Speaking of bacteria and disease, the US Department of Agriculture implies that it protects meat eaters through regular and through meat inspection, while in reality, fewer than one out of every animals are tested for toxic chemical residues. As a matter of fact, breast milk of meat eating mother is comparison to a non meat eating mother is 35 times higher for contamination of milk due to pesticides found in meat. Vegetarianism also reduces the chances of cancer by 50% and prevents heart disease, lowering blood pressure, gallstones, kidney stone, osteoporosis, and can even reverse diabetes. Finally, maintaining a vegetarian diet will not only make you physically healthier but will improve your psychiatric health also. In fact, many psychiatrists recommend a vegetarian diet to those with violent anger problems. As stated above, becoming a vegetarian would improve anyone's health and give all nutrition needed, including protein. There is another beneficial reason for vegetarianism that most of people have never heard of or through about. Our environment is affected in many ways by livestock and so on. In fact, every quarter pound of hamburger meat one eats destroys 55 square feet of rainforest, which is already being demolished in the first place. This is because many cattle eaten in the US have been fattened up and raised in former forest that was converted to grazing ground. In fact, more than 50% of rainforest destruction has been from animal grazing. Other than the destruction of rainforest, more than half of all water supplies goes to livestock production. Vegetarianism could even improve our world by preventing hunger for humanity who could be fed by the grain and soybeans fed to livestock each year. Not only does meat eating help destroy our bodies but the world around us. When it all comes down to it, being a vegetarian is a wonderful, spiritual, and helpful way of life, and it can be to all. It can improve health, spirituality, and even the ecology. There are many more reasons supporting vegetarianism. The one can always find some that are most important to them. Some people think of vegetarianism as a punishment or restriction, while true vegetarians are the ones who accept it is a fantastic and quick way to refine and add energy, godliness, and willpower to their life. Have a nice journey of the life. Become a vegetarian. Avoid the meats. Stay healthy. Eat healthy.